begin. Here we go. Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day.
Untuk makluman semua penduduk setapak, Klinik Alivia adalah klinik baru yang menggantikan poliklinik dan surgery setapak. Jadi jangan ragu-ragu dan was-was untuk dapatkan rawatan terbaik dari kami.